we're going to assemble the Volar10. Once you've taken the items from the box, you've got the main body of the wheelchair and the footrests. To open the wheelchair, simply prise apart and press onto the seat and it will click into position. From that point, you can lift up the backrest, and then I would advise to apply the brakes to prevent the wheelchair from moving. We can now fit the footrests. Simply press into position. And the same with the right hand footrest. Press into position and it clicks. And that is how you assemble the Volar10.